cars gives me a sense of joy. It gives me a sense of expression, and the fact that she handles very well makes it a lot more enjoyable as opposed to driving another car. My name is Nazman Awanghad. I've done many things, but my last place of employment was with a printing outfit. This car that I drive is a BMW 525i, designated E34. I love this E34 for its good road manners, and I think it is timeless in its design. The interior is cozy. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's more intimate with the car. That's why I love it so much. It's modern to a certain extent. It's been reliable. It's treated me really, really well. No breakdowns so far, touch wood. So I take good care of her and she takes good care of me. This is my second E34 actually. This one comes with a different engine, which is an M50 V25, and this has got stiffer suspensions. So when it comes to executing tight turns and all that, it is so much more sure-footed. I take her up the road to Genting Highlands where you have nice windy roads, and it is a joy to drive in the early morning where it's nice and cool, windows down. It's just sheer pleasure. I love older cars and I love to drive them because they have character. It is also an extension of your personality because it reflects the kind of person you are. And the fact that I'm this age and I'm driving a four-door, right, that explains itself, right? High mileage to me is a non-issue because it is just a testament of how far the car has gone. I strongly believe in sticking to the schedule, and since I use semi-synthetic oils, I change once every 8,000 kilometers. I tend to check everything myself, and in the event that I need to do certain things, and if I'm just too lazy to do it, then I'll drop by at a friend's place who owns a garage, and he'll do it for me. I used to do things like this myself, but at this age, crawling underneath the car is a little bit of a chore for me. If you take good care of the car, if you change the oils and the filters on a regular basis, and if you don't abuse your cars, it should last you a lifetime. These cars, when I reflect on them, it reminds me of how things were with dear old Dad. It reminds me of my youth. The fact that you've had so many different cars in the past, every time you see one on the road, which is from your past, it brings back memories of the experiences you had in the car. That in itself brings me such joy.